Ever found yourself juggling appointments, trying to remember who's coming in when, and wishing there was a magic button to make it all disappear? You're not alone. We've all been there, especially if you're running a small business or managing a busy schedule. But here's the burning question. In this age of apps for everything, can your appointment woes be solved with a simple tap on your phone? Specifically, does Square Appointments, that popular scheduling tool, actually have an app? Think about it. You're a stylist, your hands are full of product, and a client texts to reschedule. Or you're a trainer on the gym floor, and you need to check your next client's details. Or perhaps you're a massage therapist, and you just finished a session, and you need to quickly update your availability. In those moments, fumbling with a laptop or trying to navigate a website on a tiny phone screen is just not practical. You need speed, you need efficiency, you need something that fits right in your pocket. That's where the power of an app comes in. Let's be honest, we live in a world where if it doesn't have an app, it almost doesn't exist. We rely on apps for everything. Ordering food, booking rides, managing our finances, and staying connected with friends. So it's natural to expect that a robust appointment scheduling platform like Square Appointments would offer the same convenience. But is that expectation met with reality? Does Square Appointments truly deliver that mobile experience we crave? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and understand why having an app is so crucial for appointment-based businesses. It's not just about convenience, it's about staying competitive. In today's fast-paced environment, clients expect instant access and seamless interactions. They want to book, reschedule, and manage their appointments with ease, right from their smartphones. If you can't provide that, you risk losing them to someone who can. Imagine you're a client. You're trying to book a last-minute haircut. You find a salon online, but their website is clunky and not mobile-friendly. You struggle to navigate, and eventually you give up and look elsewhere. Now imagine if that salon had a sleek, user-friendly app. You could book your appointment in seconds, receive instant confirmations, and even get reminders. That's the kind of experience that keeps clients coming back. For business owners, an app is more than just a convenience. It's a lifeline. It allows you to manage your schedule on the go, stay connected with your clients, and keep your business running smoothly, even when you're away from your computer. You can check your upcoming appointments, send out reminders, process payments, and even manage your team, all from the palm of your hand. So, getting back to our original question, does Square Appointments have an app? The answer is yes, and it's a powerful one. Square Appointments is seamlessly integrated into the broader Square ecosystem, which means you get access to a suite of tools designed to streamline your business operations. You get access through the Square Point of Sale app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. But it's not just any app. It's designed specifically for managing appointments, with features that cater to the unique needs of service-based businesses. Let's break down some of the key features that make this app so valuable. First, there's the intuitive calendar view. You can see your entire schedule at a glance, with color-coded appointments and easy-to-read details. You can quickly add, edit, or reschedule appointments, ensuring that your schedule is always up to date. Next, there's the client management functionality. You can access client profiles, view their appointment history, and even send them personalized messages. This allows you to build stronger relationships with your clients and provide a more personalized experience. Then there's the automated reminders and notifications. You can set up automatic reminders to be sent to your clients, reducing the number of no-shows and ensuring that your schedule stays filled. You'll also receive notifications for new bookings, cancellations, and reschedules, keeping you informed in real time. And, of course, there's the integrated payment processing. Square Appointments is part of the Square ecosystem, which means you can process payments directly through the app. This makes it easy to collect payments for services, track your sales, and manage your finances all in one place. But it doesn't stop there. The app also allows you to manage your team's schedules, assign appointments, and track their performance. This is particularly useful for businesses with multiple employees, as it helps to streamline operations and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but is it easy to use? And that's a valid question. The good news is that Square has put a lot of effort into making the app user-friendly and intuitive. The interface is clean and straightforward, with easy-to-navigate menus and clear instructions. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll be able to get up and running in no time. One of the best things about the Square Appointments app is its flexibility. It adapts to your specific needs and workflows. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large team, you can customize the app to fit your business. You can set your own availability, create custom services, and even set up recurring appointments. This level of customization ensures that the app works for you, not the other way around. And let's not forget about the constant updates and improvements. Square is continually adding new features and enhancements to the app based on user feedback. This means that you can expect the app to evolve and improve over time, ensuring that it always meets your needs. Now, it's important to note that while the Square Point of Sale app houses the appointments functionality, it's not a standalone Square Appointments app in the traditional sense. It's part of a larger, integrated platform. This integration allows for seamless data flow and a more cohesive experience across all of Square's services. So while you're managing appointments, you can also process payments, track inventory, and manage your online store, all within the same app. This integration is a significant advantage, particularly for businesses that use multiple Square products. It eliminates the need to switch between different apps and platforms, saving you time and effort. It also ensures that your data is consistent and up-to-date, providing a more accurate picture of your business performance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.